Hey everybody, it's the Weekend Adventure. This is the day after Christmas. Showing the bike. Haven't washed it yet from last time we rode. A little dirty. So, what today's video is the new stuff I got for the bike for Christmas. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash the bike up first. It's just a little dirty. And yeah, and then I'll show you what I got for her. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, bike's all washed up, dried off, stuff like that. I was gonna show you what I got for the bike for Christmas. It needed a few maintenance parts. So what we got here, we got a new rear sprocket. The stock sprocket was a 51. I'm jumping it up to a 53 to get me a little bit more torque on them hill climbs and stuff. So, and then on the other hand, the reason why I did that too is I really wanted to drop the front sprocket. So I got a new front sprocket too. I really wanted to jump the front sprocket to 12. As you know, I don't think they even make them. So they told me just the you know, go up on the rear. So I'm going up on the rear. See what that'll give me. But yeah, I just got another stock sprocket for the rear. And then let me try and get this open. I'll show you guys. I got a new chain. Yep. This time, I mean, I have the stock chain, but I went with something a little different this time. If I can get this package open. There we go. Oh yeah, by the way, new shirts. Just, you know, just for us to have while we're out riding and stuff. See what happens. The first one, our sister-in-law made it for us. That's cool. I'll put a screenshot of the back because it's kind of hard. Just kidding. But yeah, I'll put a screenshot in there for you guys. But here's the chain. Boom. Went with all gold. All gold. Yup. Thought I'd give that a try. So here's the reason why I am doing this. So if you come down here and look, you can see how it's kind of swooped. It looks like a wave. The sprocket here. The chain too, it's rusty. That's on me, lack of maintenance. And it just is, there's slop in the chain. I know you can't see it, a little bit. You can hear it. Slop in the chain. So, you know, it's Christmas, why not? The bike has, I think, like 1,100 miles. I'll start it up and then you guys can see where we're at. So yeah, guys, we're about 1,140 miles, 1,147 on the bike. Again, it's 1,147 on the bike, so it's about time for a new sprocket, new chain. As far as this one, I had already changed this out once, and I just went with the stock size when I first got the bike, and I was putting stuff on it. So it's time to change. You know, get a little bit more torque out of it with 2 teeth bigger on the back. So this is not going to be an install video. I'm just kind of showing you what we got for Christmas. Bike's all clean, as always. Sitting here looking fresh. Yeah, she's fresh. I like her. She's been down a couple times now. It took me over a year, but now she's nice. But all right, fellas, I'm out. All right, everybody. So this is the stock chain, and it doesn't have a master link. So what we're gonna have to do, and I don't got the chain tool to take it off, so I'm just gonna cut these links off. Probably be the easiest. Just want to let you guys know what I discovered. So if you see the stock sprocket here, let me get it to focus. It has like a rubber, you see that? It's like rubber on the outer. The Renthal one I got does not. So you just got to remember that, you know, the flat side goes against the transmission. I gotta clean that off first, but you just find where it lines up.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Right there. And then it all lines up back here too. So if you look down in line with the camera, it doesn't want to focus, but you can see the sprocket down there. It's in line. So that's good.